With the holidays and long winter weekends upon us, it's time to plan when and where to go. And this time of year, cold destinations are some of the biggest hotspots. As mountain towns across the country ramp up for another year of high demand, travel expert Jeanenne Tornatore joins us with the latest on what to expect at some of these popular winter destinations. Hi Jeanenne, welcome to the show. Okay, Jeanenne, it looks like you're in one of these hotspots. Where are you today?
I'm in a winter wonderland. I'm actually in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, where in the last 3 days, they've gotten over 3 feet of snow. So this is definitely the season to come out here.
What are other winter destinations that are on your radar this year?
Well, look, I want to tell you about 3 destinations I think are going to be really big this year and have a lot of new things happening. One is right here in Steamboat, where they're celebrating their 60th anniversary. They are nearing completion of phase 2 of a $200 million transformation of their base area back here, including a new ice skating rink this season, a new out-of-base gondola. They have a new stage for outdoor concerts, new dining room right here. And one of the big wins for beginner skiers is this new beginner base area called Greenhorn Ranch, where instead of taking your lessons down at the base of the mountain, they immediately whisk you up to 7,500 feet where you are immersed in the mountain experience right away. So those are going to be fantastic for folks that are visiting Steamboat this year. Now, my other picks are Winter Park, Colorado, where they are debuting a major terrain expansion this season. They're nearly doubling the amount of terrain for expert skiers. So if you're a big skier, this is the year to visit Winter Park. They also have expanded their nighttime offerings. So getting out on the mountain under the stars, doing things like snowshoeing tours, snow cat tours, skiing tours where you get beverages, you get s'mores, all those fun things after dark. So that's really going to be big there. They also at Winter Park are debuting this season some new lodging, a new lodging concept. It's called the A-Frame Club. It's 31 newly constructed A-frame cabins. They're just beautiful, but it's a nod to that 1970s ski culture and those cabins that were so popular during that time. And then they also have the ski train. So if you're flying from a destination into Denver, instead of renting a car and potentially driving through snowy conditions, you can head out of Union Station right in downtown Denver, hop on the ski train, 2-hour ride, drops you off right at the entrance of a Winter Park ski resort. So really fun, easy way to get there. And then let me tell you about my last pick, which is Vail, Colorado, another great resort that's also celebrating its 60th anniversary this year. They're celebrating with the addition of 2 new ski lifts, one of them which takes you to their legendary back bowls. They also have some really cool vintage experiences they're bringing back. One of them is their ice bar experience up on the mountain, and they also have these really cool snow bungalows that you can reserve and have that après ski experience on the mountain. They also have a lot of things happening off the mountain. They have winter astronomy nights. They have pro outdoor ice skating shows, silent discos. One fun thing that my kids love is called Dining with the Dogs, where you actually get to go meet the avalanche dogs, have lunch with them and their ski patrol owners, and learn about how these dogs keep the mountains safe. And then if you're looking for a lodging pick in Vail, it's the Lodge at Vail. This also opened in 1962, the same time as Vail Mountain. So it really has that fantastic old world charm of an alpine inn, but it has really great amenities, a fantastic restaurant there called Cucina that has new après ski experiences this year as well. So look, so much going on at these resorts out here, and they've just been getting dumped on in the early season. So this is the year to visit.
What should travelers know as they are planning winter vacations? Any ways to save with such high demand for travel in general right now?
Well, look, always be flexible. When we talk about that a lot over the holidays, but the same is true for coming out to these ski resorts. If you can come out midweek, you have less crowds, more availability at the hotels. Also take those early in the day flights. They get a lot of weather out here. So if you do get delayed or canceled, it gives you a better chance of getting out here the same day, not losing any of that vacation time. And then I always tell people about booking things in advance, going online and booking your lift tickets in advance and not waiting to get them here at the lift ticket windows is really important for saving.
Where can travelers get more information?
Well, look, Colorado.com is the tourism website for the state. They have so many cool ideas for outdoor winter experiences and destinations. And then, you can always follow me at the Outside Insider.
Thanks, Jeanenne.
Always a pleasure.